Hi, I'm Perry Young, Product Manager for Kestrel Instruments. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up the Kestrel Heat Stress Monitoring System. The Kestrel Heat Stress Monitoring System is a simple, yet reliable solution for keeping workers safe in hot indoor working environments. This system includes the powerful Kestrel 5400 WBGT tracker and a wall-mounted display tablet for real-time monitoring of environmental conditions. You will have the ability to set up custom email or text alerts, so you'll never miss a beat when working conditions become dangerous. And with its data recording capabilities, you'll always stay compliant with OSHA regulations. As an owner, manager, or safety professional, your top priority is keeping your workers safe. And with the Kestrel Heat Stress Monitoring System, you can rest assured that your team is protected. Let's get started with unboxing. The Kestrel Heat Stress Monitoring System includes everything you need to keep workers safe and document conditions for compliance. This is a carry case that includes your Kestrel 5400 heat stress tracker. The 5400 is rugged, durable, and tracks environmental conditions, including wet bulb globe temperature, also known as WBGT. Monitoring this measurement is critical for preventing heat illness. Your 5400 Pro also comes with a wind vane mount that fits on the Kestrel and can be mounted on the tripod to measure wind direction. The vane mount is not needed for your indoor heat stress monitoring system, but it can be set up for outdoor conditions monitoring should you have the need. The AC adapter and wall mount are the hardware components required for permanently mounting your Kestrel 5400 heat stress tracker indoors. You can mount your 5400 with the included hardware, or you can use very high bondage tape. Here is your remote monitoring tablet, which comes with its own wall mount and hardware. It includes a tablet to PC connector cable in case you want to add other files to your tablet's hard drive. You will also find interchangeable outlets for international use. To learn more about the Kestrel Heat Stress Monitoring System and how it can help prevent heat-related incidents, visit KestrelInstruments.com.